Well, here's a little update. The bottom corner of my valve cover is leaking, so gotta take care of this side of the valve cover. Also, we'll be installing this pulley. It'll probably sit about right in there. I need to put extra tension on the belt. I think it's slipping, to be honest. But let's see how this goes. I'm a little surprised at the end. Let's loosen up tensioner bolt. It's a 14 size. And the other 10mm bolt is on the bottom. Let me get some attachments. The other bolt to loosen up the tensioner is right, so let that focus, right there. This thing is all the way tight, so let's try to tighten the belt as firm as possible. Alright, let's go take a look. Alright, perfect. Just to have a little idea of what I'm trying to do here. So this will sit about right there, and this will put pressure on this belt right here, acting as another tensioner, of course. And hopefully this solves the belt slipping issue. I gotta go get this plate drilled. I need to mark that spot off. Well, after about 5 minutes of trying to get this silicone stuck plenum off, Jesus, look at all this. God, it's still stuck. Oh, most of it's off. It's all broken off. Alright, I still have that hose behind the throttle body to take off, and then the whole top of the plenum comes off. Alright, so I got the top of the plenum taken off. Now I gotta take the lower half off. This whole outer was siliconed just to prevent any boost leaks if possible. But I guess we're not gonna be using this again. So on this coolant bypass, I'll be putting this piece here and match it up on that one. So that deletes that bypass for that, I believe it's the throttle body. So I got some new hardware for the new intake manifold. It's an M6 by, I have 25mm and 20mm, so I'm gonna see probably the 25 will probably be the likelihood of this. 25, it could be a 20, but I'll see which one has more threading and tightens the best. But the M6s. Alright, so now I got the cog belt pulley off. I gotta take off the plate to the supercharger, take out the supercharger, and then go get it drilled. And probably gonna reroute this line here. Probably, I'm pretty sure it goes behind here. I wasn't entirely sure. I thought I was gonna get pinched somehow, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. Alright, now we have to take off the supercharger off the bracket. Just got the budget bolt. I have to find a bolt. Where's that pulley at? There it is. Find a bolt to go through here, and probably a nut on the back, but we'll see if they got what I need. Alright, I already got the pulley on. Put the bracket. Absolutely. Let's see how this turns out. So we got the whole assembly back on. We got the new tensioner. Had to go a bigger belt, obviously. The new intake manifold. And it's about to be first start. Let's see how it goes. Up and take on its first test drive.